Hi, I am Saraswati Devi, your English trainer. I am going to speak about the topic why can't you speak English fluently like others? Why can't you speak English fluently like others? If you want to speak English fluently like others, we must have the determination. We must have the determination and practice. For this, you have to stand in front of the mirror and ask the question, why can't you speak in English fluently like others? Why can't I? Why can't I speak English like others? Then ask this question, then answer to the question. Look at the mirror and answer to the question. Yes, I can. I can speak English like others. I can speak it fluently. If I practice, I can speak like others. So, next important thing you needed is practice. All of you understood that, isn't it? You need practice. Practice is much more important. Through practice, we can achieve anything in this world. So, practice is needed. Practice, practice, and practice. Practice it every day, and you will get improvement. Day by day, you will get improvement. May I ask a question? Can you speak your native language without any grammar mistake? No, never. You cannot speak your native language half an hour without any grammar mistake. So, why are you scared of speaking English without grammar mistakes? You can speak. If you try, you can speak. Don't scare of grammar mistake. You try to speak English. If there may be lots and lots of mistakes, you speak it fluently. You express your ideas. You express your feelings and emotions. Then you can speak it like the native speakers. The 4 important skills you needed to develop your skills, communication skills, is L, S, R, and W. L means listening, S means speaking, R means reading, and W means writing. How to develop all these 4 skills? That's the question. First, you have to stand in front of the mirror to develop your listening skill. Then first, you speak to your image. Then say hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? How do you do? Have your breakfast? Have your lunch? Have your dinner? Everything you can ask. You can develop your speaking skill also. To develop the listening skill, you have to watch TV news channels, then speeches of great personalities, then interviews, everything. You have to listen to the native speakers. Then you can develop your listening skill like that. The next important skill you have to develop is speaking skill. How to develop your speaking skill? How to develop? To develop your speaking skill, first, you stand in front of the mirror and speak. There may be a grammar mistake. Don't bother of grammar mistake, because nobody is there to point out your mistakes. So, you can speak it fluently. If there is lots and lots of grammar mistakes, you can speak it fluently, express your ideas and feelings. Then next, you can speak to the family members. Speak it fluently. There may be grammar mistakes, no problem. They are your family members. They never point out your mistakes. So they never make fun of you. Then you can go outside and speak to your friends. Then you can go outside and speak to your relatives, then strangers, then native speakers, everyone. To everyone you can speak. Thus you have developed your speaking skill. The next important skill you have to develop is reading skill. It's also very important. For developing the reading skill, you have to read the newspaper first. Read English newspapers. First, read the headlines. First days you can read the headlines. After that, you can read other matters in the newspaper. Then slowly you can understand everything. Then you can read books from the library. You can read at first simple books in simple language. Then after that, you can read difficult languages. You can enrich your vocabulary. You can understand the construction of this sentence, how to construct a sentence. Everything you can understand, and you will get more and more ideas. Then you will become perfect. Then after that, you want to develop writing skill. It's the last important skill. Finally, you can take a diary and write everything from morning to the end. From morning to till evening, you can write everything. What all things happened in that day. There may be grammar mistakes. Don't bother of grammar mistakes. You write. The first page, there may be grammar mistakes. No problem. You write. Take the next page. Turn over the next page. Write. Write everything. Then after 5 or 6 months, open the diary. Look at the first page. Full of mistakes, isn't it? Then look at the last page. It's amazing. Totally changed. You have entirely changed. Look at your vocabulary. You have enriched vocabulary. So thus you can change yourself. You can speak fluently like others. So 4 skills you have to develop to speak English fluently is listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill and writing skill. All these skills you have to develop. Then definitely you can speak English fluently like others. It's not a dream. Your dream will come true. Definitely. So practice is much more important. Through practice you can achieve anything in this world. So practice it regularly. Thank you, and subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Thank you. Bye.